All right, happy Father's Day to all. Live from Queens in Corona Park. Just taking a walk through. Again, it's my first time doing one of these videos. I see a lot of people do these videos, and at times I think it's so interesting. It's a nice day. Again, and it's still in the middle of a pandemic. But again, though, we're open in phase 1. Phase 2's tomorrow. A lot of places can open up and do outdoor dining. So I'm gonna take a stroll around the park, just take a walk. And whoever watches the video, please comment, like, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. I might sound a little strange because I'm wearing a face mask. And for anybody who maybe likes to travel, can kind of get a see, maybe a first person view of how this park is, which is beautiful Queens and Corona. One of the nicer parks. Not sure if you guys can see it when my head's turning. That's the Arthur Ashe Stadium, where they have the US Open every single year. Nobody knows yet if it's going to happen. Well, they did approve it, actually. I stand corrected. They did approve it recently. But of course, no spectators as far as that's concerned. Again, it's still a beautiful day today. Food vendors over here. Actually, I haven't had anything to eat today. Don't know if I should get something. Whatever it is, it looks good. People get to rent these bikes and enjoy them. Such a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Hopefully it looks good. That's a pool place in there for the community. They have an Olympic-sized pool inside of there. A little bit behind the trees over there, you have City Field. So you have that. As far as it's going in circle, at some point to my left, and again, I just hope that this angle and the view looks good. I have a little GoPro cap clip on, which just makes it so easy just to walk around. I don't have to worry about having anything on my hand. I'm hands-free. I can still take my calls, which I actually turn my phone off because I just want to relax today. Enjoy. Like I said, it's a beautiful park. It's not overly crowded either. Everybody's doing their barbecues, biking, people working out. There's a little soccer field here. A lot of people play here over the weekends, I guess, right now because of the whole pandemic. I mean, people were playing at one point. I think that was stopped. But I guess either way, though, as long as you're social distancing and doing what you can, keeping 6 feet apart, it should be fine. Just 1 second, do a check. Soon we'll go to, hopefully, the fountain. World's Fair is open. Our Thrash is over there. Get a closer view. Again, I'm new to this. For more about the filming and taking the video with a much better camera. If anybody's wondering, I'm using a GoPro 7. Okay, so some games going on over there, some pickup games. I'm not sure if there's any movie buffs out there, but up ahead is, if you remember Men in Black, with the villain in the movie that was trying to get away. Can't remember the names of the characters. I think it was Agent M or Agent K. Whatever the name was, they shot it down, came back, crashed through that globe, and stayed. And of course, in the end, it was defeated. Soon we're gonna get there. See to the left up there. If I recall, I think in the movie he went up there and he tried to get in the ship, and that turned into a spaceship. Or could be corrected.